Go through that ditch. Oh, damn, that thing is deep.
So the point of this is to purposely go in the hose?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
What happened? I thought we were going in there.
I put it in 4-wheel drive.
That man's going in his nice truck. Is he crazy? And they don't got doors.
Oh my gosh.
Nice truck.
I just, the good thing about Snapchat is if you don't want the volume, you don't want what anybody was talking about, you just shut it off.
You can do that?
Yeah. You didn't know
Mute the
that?
volume?
Yeah. Hey, you missed that big hole.
I know.
I thought you were about this life.
Well, yeah, but I know what I should and shouldn't do.
Oh, because
If
Victor
it's
went
too
right
deep,
into that hole.
I don't want it to go
Look
too
at him,
far
look
in.
at him. He's too much. You need to get better seatbelts.
What would the seatbelt do?
You need the ones that are like that.
Like a racing one?
Yeah. This one's really hurting my neck.